Welcome back to Primetime News, and again a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Prime Minister Andrew Holness today announced new measures in the wake of rising cases of COVID-19. Mr. Holness outlined the measures during a press conference a short while ago. Vashan Brown joins us live with the details. Vashan.
All right, thank you so much, Herman. So an increase in the COVID-19 cases and an increase in the positivity rate. The Prime Minister last Wednesday put the country on alert, saying tighter restrictions were likely following a meeting of the Cabinet Subcommittee on COVID on the weekend. Now, current measures should have expired on August 10. The Prime Minister says it is time to act now. Today, he announced the changes to the existing restrictions, beginning with a curfew.
On Monday to Saturday, the curfew hours will be from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. the following morning. On Sundays and public holidays, the curfew hours will be from 3 p.m. to 5 a.m. the following morning. For Emancipation Day, which is Sunday, August the 1st, the curfew will commence at 3 p.m. and it will end at 5 a.m. the following Monday. Now, the following Monday will be observed as the holiday. So that means that the curfew on Monday, August 2, will start at 3 p.m. and end at 5 a.m. on Tuesday.
Now, that also means that the curfew will begin at 3 p.m. on Independence Day, that's August 6, until 5 a.m. the following day. Now, you may recall that there are some places that had a capacity limit of 70%. So we're talking about places of worship, gym, and some dining establishments. Well, the Prime Minister said there will also be changes to that specific part of the measure.
The 70% capacity limit that applies to these establishments will be reduced to 50%. Also, the existing limit for small events is being reduced. Currently, the limit for small events is either 100 persons or 60% of capacity of the venue, whichever is lower. So effective Tuesday, July 27th, the capacity limit for small events will also be reduced from 60% to 50%. Therefore, the number of persons permitted at a small event will be still 100 persons or 50% of the venue capacity, whichever is lower.
Now, the Health Minister sought to paint a picture of where the country is now in its COVID-19 fight. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says hospital occupancy is now a concern.
With respect to general occupancy, 7 hospitals were in the red alert zone, which means these facilities currently have 84% or greater bed capacity or occupancy, while 4 are in the amber zone with greater than 74% bed currently being occupied. 2 facilities are at the amber alert level, meaning that they have over 74% capacity, and 2 are at 84% bed capacity, placing them in the red alert zone, meaning they are dangerously close to becoming overwhelmed.
Now, samples have been sent overseas for the Delta variant, but still no confirmation that Delta is actually here in Jamaica. The Health Minister maintains, though, that even without confirmation, the country should assume that it is already here. Herman, the Prime Minister was quite clear when he said the plan is still to open schools come September. Herman, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Vashan Brown.